Hey, my name is Jalen James. I work for Cline Tours out of Mississippi, Richmond, Mississippi to be exact. I'm assistant HR, safety and compliance, and motorcoach operator. So ChatGPT is one of my big but small tools that I use in the office for sometimes day-to-day operation, especially when it comes to scheduling certain things that I need to schedule that we're not using the bus scheduler for, like for contract work. I would use that to try to help me out and schedule some things and make it make sense to me with a chaotic schedule. The advice that I would give somebody that's entering into the bus industry is go out, have fun, be safe, but have fun, enjoy it. The only way you're gonna learn it is you got to get out and do it. So I know for me, being a new guy on the block, learning, coming from the school bus side of things and police side of things to transition over to motorcoach, just getting out, learning it, and just getting the feel of the road and going different places has helped me a whole lot in this industry. Well, the good thing about our company, our customers are repeat customers 15, 20, 30 years. So we kind of have a relationship that we have built with our customers. So we kind of know how they're going to operate on the next charter or whatever charter is going to come up. We know, well, Jackson State University is going to do this. So we already know how to prepare ourselves for when we go out with that group. Working with our mechanics, working with different people that's in the motor coach industry when you're out, it helps us, support and get to a next level of things when you're out over the road or when you're at home.